Hello friends, welcome to my another video. In this kitchen and home review, we tested Amazon kitchen gadgets, so you don't have to. We always like to add innovation to our videos. So if you like the video, be sure to subscribe to the channel and comment, and share. These smart gadgets make cooking simple, fast, and stress-free for everyone. Perfect for beginners, busy parents, and home chefs who love practical solutions. From chopping to storing, these tools make every step easier. Trending now on Amazon, TikTok, and Temu, and they actually work. Each product is affordable, durable, and designed for everyday cooking needs. Say goodbye to complicated gadgets and hello to effortless. So let's start the video. Food storage container. Largest glass container with airtight locking and handle lid. Quality design, 220 ounces / 6,500 ml / 28 cups. Glass container with locking lid is the largest you will find with locking lid. Razab uses premium grade material to bring you industrial and restaurant grade glass to your home kitchen. Airtight leak proof. Multipurpose, can be used as bakeware or for storage. The perfect solution to bake your lasagna for lunch or meat/chicken for dinner and store them as well. Silicone sealed BPA-free plastic lids. Plastic lid is not microwave or oven safe. Leak-proof storage. Container is easily sealed, airtight, and spill-proof. Square glass food container. Keep leftovers fresh, goes straight from the refrigerator to the microwave or oven to the table. Food can be cooked directly in the container using microwave or oven. Electric pepper grinder. Adjustable coarseness pepper grinder. Easily twist the knob to achieve your desired level of coarseness. Our salt and pepper shakers set features 5 adjustable levels, effortlessly meeting diverse cooking demands and helping you create richly flavored dishes for family. Battery-powered one-button operation. The salt and pepper grinder set is battery-powered and requires 4 AAA batteries, not included. Effortlessly grind your spices by simply pressing the switch. Release it to stop, allowing you to control amounts of salt or pepper while cooking. Built-in bright light. Our handy salt and pepper shakers set features a built-in bright light, providing clarity to check the size of your spice particles, even in dim environments. Enjoy effortless grinding adjustments with enhanced visibility, preventing excessive seasoning in your dishes. Elite Gourmet Egg Cooker. 7-egg capacity. Cook up to 7 eggs in soft, medium, or hard-boiled firmness while saving time and water. Eggs come out consistently perfect, shell is easy to peel, and cleanup is simple. Ease of use. Fill pre-marked measuring cup with water to desired doneness, add to the cooking plate, press the power switch, and within minutes your eggs will be excellent. Fun and simple to use for the entire family. The auto shut-off function gets it right every time, and it's faster than conventional stovetop methods. Versatility. Whether pairing with avocado toast or preparing deviled eggs, the Elite Gourmet Easy Egg Cooker is an all-in-one egg boiler, veggie or food steamer, and more. Compact space-saving design. Perfect as a back-to-school gift for dorms, apartments, RVs, or the office. Compact and lightweight. It easily fits into drawers for storage or just leave out on the counter as a fun and colorful accent to any home kitchen. Jar revolving countertop spice rack. Set includes 1 rotating spice rack and 20 pre-filled glass spice jars with removable sifter and labeled black caps. 20 essential spices. Includes basil, bay leaves, celery salt, chives, cilantro, coriander, crushed mint, dill weed, fennel seed, herbs de Provence, Italian seasoning, marjoram, oregano, parsley, pizza seasoning, rosemary, savory seasoning, sea salt, sea salt. Stylish storage. The rotating, polished stainless steel rack keeps spices neat and easily accessible on countertops or in cabinets. Free spice refills for 5 years. Eligible for 5 years of free spice refills of your choice. Balloon whisk. Fatigue-free mixing 8.5 plus 10.5 plus 12 thickened wire comfy non-slip grip made Annie whisk can be fatigue-free mixing. Proper balance between floppy and sturdy. More guaranteed than others. Great for non-stick pots, and PNSNE at whisk have sturdy silicone protective cover, which is non-stick itself and won't scratch the non-stick coating in your pots and pans. Easy cleaning after using. Annie whisks are perfect with your cooking ware. SWFT, comfortable, non-slip handle innovative ergonomic handle shape and soft, comfortable grip to absorb pressure. Its excellent balance and control, let you really feel the quality of Anate. HEAT-resistant durable healthy silicones are resistant to heat up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, making them ideal for cooking almost any favorite food. Anate whisk won't discolor, warp, or melt. Easy to clean, dishwasher safe. Bamboo cutting board. Kichi offers a versatile set with sizes including 15 by 10 inches, 12 by 8 inches, and 9 by 6 inches, accommodating all your cutting needs from meats and vegetables to fruits and breads. This variety ensures you always have the perfect board for any task. Our cutting boards undergo a thermal treatment at 500 degrees Fahrenheit, 260 degrees Celsius, a process known as carbonization. This treatment enhances the bamboo's stability, significantly reduces moisture absorption, and gives the board a rich, dark hue that complements any kitchen decor. Experience unparalleled durability with Kichi's cutting board set, which uses a cross-laminated technique. Each layer of bamboo is precisely interlocked to create a robust structure that resists warping and cracking. Aluminum fold flat dish drying rack. Durable, stylish, rust-proof aluminum frame contains items and complements any kitchen decor. Double duty, two-layer design holds items of all sizes. Dries quickly, raised ridges elevate items away from water for quick, efficient drying. Versatile, removable utensil cup can be placed on either side of dish rack. Stays in place, non-slip feet help keep rack stable on countertops. Assembled and upright in the X position, the dish rack measures 16.4 inch L into 14.4 W into 9.5 H. Astercook knife set. Multipurpose knife set. This kitchen knife set includes 8 chef knife, 8 slicing knife, 7 santoka knife, 8 serrated bread knife, 5 utility knife, 3.5 paring knife, kitchen shears, and 6 PCS blade guards. Anti-rust coating. The healthy anti-rust coating protects the knife from oxidation and dishwasher safe, while the non-stick coating ensures the blades stay clean all day long. Easy to carry. Each knife comes with a blade guard for safe, compact storage in your kitchen cupboard. These knives are also easy to carry when camping or storing in your RV. Perfect holiday gift. Ideal for kitchen enthusiasts or new cooks, this knife set meets all cooking needs. It makes an excellent holiday gift for family, friends, lover, and colleague. Lifetime warranty. Every knife set is backed by rigorous quality inspection. We provide a lifetime warranty for every customer, ensuring superior customer service and peace of mind with every purchase. Boswell Glass Air Fryer. Versatile air fryers. Our glass air fryers are equipped with the latest 360 degrees hot air circulation system, which can replace a variety of small kitchen appliances to become your all-around cooking partner. The system ensures that the hot air is completely wrapped around the ingredients to prevent partial burning of the food, while reducing the sticking phenomenon and making the cooking process smoother. Transparent glass body. The unique glass material allows you to clearly observe the changes in the food during cooking. No need to open the lid frequently to avoid heat loss and ensure that the food is heated evenly. You can more accurately control the cooking progress like a precise time, not to miss any delicious moment, and taste every bite just right. 5 preset one-click operation. Built-in seafood baked fries, steak, chicken, 5 common food preset programs, and carry a manual, just click to automatically match the best cooking time.